Hey guys, it's Walt, Dirtfoot Racing here. I have started another journey, and this journey is with an electric bike. I did some horse trading with my friend Hank Strange, and I got this Himiway, I guess that's how you say that, Himiway C3 cargo bike, they call it. Pretty cool. I've never ridden one before until I did this. Works pretty well, goes relatively fast, goes about 25. But the thing it's a cargo bike, right? Well, in this place back here, they had a rubber seat or a padded seat. Well, it's kind of silly because there's no accommodations for a passenger on here besides a padded seat. But with that white flat frame, it needed a basket. Now, Himiway sells a basket. It's close to $100, aluminum. I didn't like the design because it was open pretty much with large tubing. Didn't have any kind of a mesh in it to keep small things in. So I went on Amazonski and I'm searching around and I see this one here and I'm like, man, that looks cool. And the dimensions are cool. Comes with a cargo net and like a cover for the back. So take it out of the box, take off that other padded seat. It comes with these 2 bars and 4 screws. It couldn't have been easier, I swear. I'm gonna get me 4 more screws for these outside holes. But in 5 minutes I had this thing mounted on. And I'm like, wow, that was easy. So if you're looking for one for your electric bike and you've got it, or your bicycle, this is designed for bicycles too. And you've got this flat kind of deck in the back, cargo kind of space. This thing would be perfect. Here it is right here. This is where I got it from. It was on Amazon. I don't get anything from telling you this, but check it out. Simple instruction, simple install, though the instruction sheet's all in Chinese, pretty funny looking. But yeah, check this thing out if you need a cargo basket for the rear. Or you could probably even put it on the front if you can figure it out somehow, of your electric bike or your bicycle. This is on the Himiway, and so far, we're just starting this journey with electric bikes. So if I'm going to go out and go exploring, I need to have some place to carry some water, maybe some tools, who knows what else. Maybe I'll, when I'm coming to and from my house to the shop, I'm always toting stuff. So, I think it'll work out just right. And the price was definitely right on this. This was right around $40 for the basket. So I can't complain about that versus $100. And the construction is very good. And actually it's coated with a plastic type coating. So I am very impressed with this. There was no assembly of the basket itself, just putting the screws and these brackets on the bottom. And they give you the Allen wrench with it too. So can't beat that. There's no way. So I will, I'm waiting on a couple things for the front end of this. The front wheel was missing a couple spacers. I don't know how that happened, but they're coming. And once I get that back, I'm gonna go out on some long range journeys. Here in Pinellas County, we've got a trail that's 45 to 50 miles long. I think I'm gonna do it top to bottom and then some of the other ones too. So it's gonna be fun, And if you get lazy, you just push the button and you go 25. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hope this helps some people. And if you like this kind of stuff, like, share, subscribe. Like I said, my first journey into electric bikes. See you guys.